What's going on, everybody? And today we're going to talk about credit repair and trade lines. So if a company is working on your credit, doing credit repair, they cannot offer you trade lines. There's a conflict of interest, if you will. So there's kind of a gray area there too. So while a lot of these companies are guaranteeing these big, huge score increases, is because they are adding trade lines to your credit report. Now, if another company is adding those trade lines, that is perfectly fine. But a credit repair company cannot add you to their personal credit cards. Again, a trade line is just a band-aid. A trade line can skyrocket your score. But what a trade line cannot do is cover up the negative accounts. Now, some people put trade lines on their credit reports too soon. Others, well, still too soon, but because they're trying to get a mortgage and they need a certain score. But what the mortgage company is not telling you is just because you get a 640 or a 680, that does not mean you're going to get approved for a home. You still have those negative accounts, still have those late payments, collections, charge-offs, bankruptcies, too many hard inquiries that can still get you declined. So if you want a trade line, don't let the credit repair company that is working on your credit offer you a trade line. You need to let them know, you cannot sell me a trade line because you are working on my credit. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.